Hey guys, welcome back to another Monster Jam Firestorm video, and today I bring you guys the top 5 best trucks, or whatever the title will be, of 2024 so far. So yeah, these are the top 5 plus an honorable mention best trucks, best looking designs, trucks, whatever, in my opinion, that have debuted so far in 2024. A lot more designs are to come, but yeah, I really do love a lot of these, especially number 1. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what your list is in the comments down below, and I'll see you all next time. This is Monster Jam Firestorm signing out. Enjoy the list.